The forest and its residents have been the constant chorus to my grandmother's stories. Kalaisan Shar, the creator goddess, lies at the center of the storytelling universe. Changing seasons, transforming farmlands and forest are her lessons as she shapes our lives in my village in the state of Meghalaya. The Khasis believe that life on earth was born from the desire of nature herself, the primordial mother, a teacher, and a guide to a harmonious relationship with its every being. Our calls to May Ram'o, Mother Earth, or May Mariam, Mother Nature, are shared as stories which interpret unset rules to live with nature. These shape our rituals practiced by my family, my clan, and the people of my land to love, to respect, and to live in harmony with Mother Nature. This narrative determines the entire life cycle and the landscape of the indigenous people of Meghalaya and their nature-based value system for generations. In this lies the living laboratory of NESFAS, an organization that works with these indigenous custodian communities to document, to empower, and to take forward Mother Nature's home rules.
NESFAS is a reflection of community heritage. The biocentric restoration approach, or what we call as the nature-based restoration approach, empower people to strengthen their resilience, preserving the traditional knowledge, as well as preserving, the value systems. And the most important thing here is that, the key ecological function in which their livelihood and territorial management rely upon. The indigenous people's biocentric restoration approach is an initiative of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, which is a collaborative collaboration between NESFAS, is to mine these correlations, diluted value system with degrading landscapes. At the heart of this is the community school of life, or the agroecology learning circles.
The emotion of memories becomes the agent of translating the hidden science of our land into management practices. Regenerative farming and foraging in the forest is best understood by these story lessons. From childhood forests having been the symbol of my family and community's reverence to nature, they enshrine our values revived from the natural cycle and its gifts. However, there is not just one forest around my village. As Khasis, we hold a deep reverence for our forest and have categorized them based on the practical use and the cultural significance.
Hari Khasi jongi ni donia ki lau kentang, ki lau light, ki lau snong,
klau sordar, bat ki klau balang, bat idon ru ki klau adong.
Ya kan ni kalau light ki ya ki dieng la sha ba kinong snong snong kin tho ya ki dieng tang ya ki dieng yap ka ba kin penon kam ya la di hayeng kat ba ha kalau adong pan sha ya yanu bangin pomding namar ba ya kan ni kalau adong ni sumar ya ki klau ba kin kide ki jaka ki ba ngibu adong ya ki klau ki ba 4 he te bakin dah haduk bakin dah he kita kiding.
Habaya dai ba kalau kentang, hakata ngisat ya, mana kesian sistem ngisat ya lek duai, ngelek kita tin kasih jungi ngelek kenya, kita kenya, ngelek kenya, ngelek kriam, iduai firat angto, ba unsong uta ubasa orang kau, ba hakata keklam.
Te ngidon ru ya ki jakalum, ngidon ru ya ki jakarem. Mo ki bangi rep kum ki brio ki baki rep shaklau ki rep shirti nang ta ki rep bunru
Bat ya kita ki per la pen mentah ki ar mentah bangi khot ki per luom bat ki per jeng. Tegini ki per luom kamut ngila ban snarang kat bat ki semasi ban thung ki jur ki ba bun cai ha kata ki per luom
Ancestral knowledge, territorial management, and value systems, soil and forest health are intertwined with food production systems here. But increasingly, with current market trends, demands and aspirations are eroding. The NESFAS community's nature-based approach builds on the identified do's and don'ts, which are identified using the traditional checks and balances.
Ngidon ru kiwa he kiwa ren. Tena kini kiwa ngidon ngiyo ya ki do do wa. Nakaleng ki klau ngiyo jur klau nang ta pada ngiyo ru ya ki ding ki sit ya ki ding ha kabangi penon kam bangin snayeng snasem.
With time, the shifts in climatic patterns and drift from balancing practices, the forest cover has degraded. This has affected our life cycles too. And the project is bringing the community together for a common human and nature good.
Kajing hikai nak liang NESFAS pada long ban penek pensak deh kelag betam tinggi sutunat bah.
Nakaliang kasnong ni shong meeting shua bat ki reurang ba ki nongrem ki brio belakam temen nasionong banya feliu jengmut kumno bangin ya pentrikam ya kan ka project te hakata ka meeting ka banya shong ka habang nilai feliu jengmut nilai rai banya thung ya kiding ha ki jaka baslen hasnong ha ki jaka ki palong tua
ngishim kane kalat ban bu ru ya ki household nursery man lagi long yeng kanang wangin ya ban thung ya ki khla ki tab ki bala selen do
nilai sedang ya kan nursery hasnong bangi sara shwai te kiding te hadin ba kita ki ding ki lalong bangi la sumarang ta ngisara apat ia kita ki ding kunana seri ngisara bangi lithung sha ki jaka baslen sakinu kinu ki jaka ba selen bam dending hasnong bat kum juru sha kitu ki jaka balong tua
bat ki ding ru menta ki la anang san bat ki lang he shushu ha ki klau ki bala selen ru kla anang buan shushu kane ka project ka pen ki jingmut yang ngi ki nang shong shnong baro ban penek pensa ya ki klau ki betab ka po shnong ka a jingmut ru ya ki khana namar ki khana ki long ka pating ya kalwe jongi.
In these remote edges of Meghalaya, every generation has left breadcrumbs for the next. Every mother took that responsibility, starting with Mother Nature. What is seen as the cosmogony are actually rules of the landscapes, where the long-term well-being of nature ensures the well-being of its people. If we don't follow these breadcrumbs and pass them to the next generation, they will be washed away with time.